Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. I'm glad to introduce our new products on my right hand for this dough mixers and food mixers. And let me give the overall sizes first. This unit is about like a 20.5 inches wide. And for the base area, the depth is about like a 22 inches. And the overall height of the unit is about like a 44 inches tall. So generally this unit is coming with a power switch gear on top of it. And you can change the speed for the units. And they having the power on and off. And also have a timers coming with the machine. On the side of the units, we have stickers on the body. And this part is handle lift for this bowl, and you can just push it back to lock it. And on the side, we also have lockers. They helping you to secure the bowl when the machine running. And also the manufacturers, they give you the 3 cans of the hooks from the original package. And when we're looking the back of the units, we can see the units coming with standard 110 plugs. And we can move closer to see this bowl space. For the bowl running space area, we also can see they have a grinder hooks. There's a cap. You can just simply remove it and put the tube inside, adjust the screws to make it secure. And let me take the measurement for the bowl space. For this bowl, the diameters, it's about like a 15.5 inches wide. And the depth of the bowl is about like a 13.5 inches deep. This will be all the administration information about the products. If you have more questions about the details, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.